Hi. One thing is common between everyone. What is that? We are different from each other with respect to height, weight, color, and language. We live in different location. We have a different kind of skin of color. We speak different languages. So many different things. But one thing is common between you and me and everybody. What is that? That is a time. Time is the only thing which God has given, nature has given, same to everybody. 24 hours for you, me, and everyone. But can you beat the time? Can you go ahead of the time? Little difficult. Once Aristotle said that it is the time is the only thing which is very unknown till now. It is a dimension basically. But normally we ask, what is the time? But have you ever gone deeply, what is this time exactly? But time is very important, very important. Somebody gets late, somebody get go early, so we compare with time only. You got late or I came early, so with respect to time only we say. But we this time is very precious, we have to manage the time. But basically what happens, time is managing us, so we should manage the time. How we can manage the time, that is very important. I think we should write each and everything, daily routine, what we have to do. Give some time, 5 minutes, 10 minutes for each activity. Note down in your diary or some white marker board and all, and just give 5 minutes, 10 minutes for each activity, so that we will be on time. Time is everything, time is money. We have to give respect to the time. If we give respect to the time, then only time will give the respect to us. Let us respect time. Even in our normal life also, we trade time. When we go office or somewhere, we work somewhere, we give our time, we trade our time to get the money or earning. We work for 8 hours or 10 hours, 12 hours. Based on that, we get money. So definitely time is money also. So time is everything. So we have to respect the time to get the respect. And if you want to go ahead in the life, we have to be ahead from the time. Wake up early in the morning, that is also, we are respecting time. Planning, doing some activity in the morning itself, it will help. You will be ahead from many people. If you are waking up at 5 o'clock and somebody is waking around 7 o'clock, you are already 2 hours ahead from that person. 2 hours means 2 into 30 days, 60 hours. So if you consider as a whole, you will be many hours ahead from other people, and use that time, this particular time, for skill development or learning new things, or you can plan your daily activity also, you can complete that. So time management is very important, time is very important. Please give respect to time. Thank you, bye.